Yo, what's up guys? I'm back again, and today I've discovered how to get free Google Play gift cards. So you probably may or may not know, but within Google Play there's a section to redeem a gift card, and this is basically a prepaid card that's gonna add the value to your account so you can spend on whatever you like. These gift card codes are completely free, and you can use them on like all your favorite games and apps and stuff like that, and you know what you can use them for. But there is a section actually within this Google website and on your phone where you can redeem the code. So let me just quickly show you where you enter it. So you go up to the top right, click your profile, click on payments and subscriptions, and down here it says redeem code, so you click that, and here's the section where you enter a code. So you're all probably wondering, where can I get a code without paying for it? No one wants to spend money, so let me show you where you can get this code. You're gonna need your mobile phone, step one. I'll show you on my laptop as well, but you're gonna want to do it on your mobile. So there's this page here, but I'm gonna run through it, guys. So you need to grab your mobile and go to the following website, www.giftcardhero. Hopefully you can type better than me. giftcardhero.net. So you want to visit this website. Do it on your mobile phone because it's so much easier. You can do it on your laptop, but I recommend doing it on your mobile, and you'll see why. So let's go there. And this page will load up. Now you're going to want to find the Google Play page, so you can either scroll down and try and find it that way, or you can go to menu and just type in here Google Play and search it, and there we go, guys. You found it straight away, so let's click that. Now there is a step-by-step guide on how to do it. I'm not gonna run through that, so I'm gonna just click this green button that says free Google Play gift cards. Click here. Okay, so now we need to scroll down. There's a bit more information if you want it, but we need to select the value of your free Google Play gift card. You got a 25, 100, or 250. Let's just go for the 250. It's gonna just take about 30 seconds. It's essentially just looking through the Google database for unused codes and stuff like that. Complicated stuff. I'm just using an iPhone, guys, so you can do it on your Android or whatever your mobile device is. It works for all of them. So okay, so you see it's found the code, but you need to unlock the remaining digits. And there is a human verification step. Basically this step is you have to complete a couple of free surveys. Alternatively, you can complete like download and open a couple of free apps. On the next screen you're gonna see there's instructions. Just make sure you read it fully and complete it as described in the next page. It's super easy. It takes like 30 seconds, so I'm just gonna go and do that, and I'll run through it, and I'll be back in a second. Okay, I just completed the human verification step. So basically I just had to complete a couple of surveys, and it's gonna ask you for like your email address, for example, so make sure you put in the correct information. Is to confirm you're not a robot. So if you try and trick the system, it's probably gonna think that you're a robot. So it's just to confirm you're human. So it took me about like a couple of minutes, so I'm just gonna go back to this page, and there we go. It's released the full code. So this 16-digit code, you can enter it into the redeem section on the Google Play. I don't need this, so someone can grab this if you want. One lucky viewer can grab this free code. It's probably going to be used by the time most of you watch this video, so you're going to want to get your own, and you can do so at giftcardhero.net. It's super simple. I'm going to show you it there, giftcardhero.net. Just follow this tutorial with the instructions, and you can get your very own gift card code like this one. So Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week. Peace out.